Why is Thomas so sad today? It is his birthday. But nobody says happy birthday. Did his family forget? Let us find out. It is a beautiful morning. Thomas wakes up. He is very happy. Today is his birthday. Good morning. Today is my birthday. I am so excited. Thomas goes downstairs. Anna is in the kitchen. She is very busy. Good morning, Anna. Do you know what day it is today?
Oh, good morning! Yes, it is Wednesday. I am very busy today.
Oh, okay. If you like this story, please press the like button and write a comment. Tell us what story you want next. Emma and Oliver come to the kitchen for breakfast. Thomas waits for them to say something special.
Good morning, Dad. Can I have orange juice, please? Good morning. I am hungry. Where's my breakfast?
Nobody says happy birthday to Thomas. He feels a little sad. Maybe they will remember later. I will wait.
Emma, Oliver, time for school. Let us go, quickly!
Bye, Dad. See you later. Bye, Dad.
Thomas is now alone at home. He sits on the couch. He feels very sad. They forgot my birthday. Nobody remembered. But wait! Anna did not forget. She has a secret plan.
Okay, children, remember, it is a surprise for Dad. Do not tell him.
I will not tell him. I can keep a secret. Me too. I will not say anything. This is so exciting.
At home, Thomas looks at his phone. No messages, no calls. He is very sad. I always remember their birthdays, but today nobody remembers mine. Thomas's phone rings. It is Anna. Hello, Anna. Is everything okay?
Hi, can you please go to the store? We need milk and eggs. Thank you.
Okay, I will go to the store. Thomas drives to the store. He is quiet. He is thinking about his birthday. Milk and eggs. That is all she needs. Just milk and eggs. Meanwhile, Anna and the children are at home. They are preparing a big surprise.
Mom, the banner looks beautiful. Dad will love it. Where do I put the cake? It is so big.
Put it right here in the middle. Perfect. Now everyone hide. He is coming soon.
Thomas comes home from the store. The house is very quiet. Hello? I am home. I have the milk and eggs. Anna, Emma, Oliver, where is everyone? Thomas opens the living room door. And then...
Surprise! Great birthday! Happy birthday, Thomas!
Oh, you remembered! I cannot believe it.
Of course we remember, Dad. We love you. We planned this all day. Happy birthday, Dad. I helped put the balloons. And the cake is chocolate.
This is the best birthday ever. Thank you, my family. I love you all so much. Question: why was Thomas sad in the morning? Was it because he was sick, because nobody said happy birthday, or because he lost his phone? Tell us in the comments. Did you enjoy this story? Subscribe to our channel for more English stories every week. See you next time.